Welcome to Divi's classes. Let's learn E vowel sound words. Pen, pen. Hen, hen. Men, men. Ten, gem, gem. Net, pet, jet, jet, let, set, beg, leg, peg, seg, keg, bed, med, fed, shed, bed, red, get, web, neck, deck, pen, hen, men, den, net, pet, set, bet, met, let, pet, gem, bed, ted, beg, seg, bed, wed, keg, med, shed, get, deck, neck. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.